Hey guys, this is Michael with Neighborhood Nerds. Today we're going to look at connecting the Apple Magic Keyboard with the numeric pad and the Apple Magic Mouse 2. You can get these at the Apple Store or at a Best Buy or anywhere where Apple products are sold. We want to start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. And then we'll go down to System Preferences. Whenever this screen comes up, we'll go into Keyboards and then Set Up Bluetooth Keyboard. And here we can see this keyboard that I have turned on. The power switch for the keyboard is above the F19 key in the top right corner of the keyboard. There will be a little indicator that'll be green. That's how you'll know the keyboard's on, and then you can simply hit connect here and then hit done and close out of this, and there you go, you have a working keyboard. Connecting the Magic Mouse 2 is very similar to connecting the Magic Keyboard. Once you're in System Preferences, you'll instead go to Mouse Settings and then Set Up Bluetooth Mouse, and then whatever the mouse you have, as long as the power switch is turned on, it'll be very similar to the keyboard. It'll be on the other side of the mouse. You then hit Connect, and that's it. That's all you have to do.